Alright, so today I have a GE window AC unit that we're going to take a look at. So let's get into that. So this is a 6,000 BTU, cools up to 250 square feet, small room, works pretty well. Alright, so move this down. So this is the control panel. So we have fan speed, mode. So we have cool, fan, eco, delay over here. And fan speed, low, mid, high, and auto. And this is how you adjust the temperature. And it does beep. And filter reset, which if the filter did need to be reset, it would be flashing red. And power button right there. Indicator. Show you what temperature it's at. Scoot this back. So we got, this is where the air comes out. They just move side to side. They don't move up or down or anything. And we have a remote, came with it. Pretty standard remote, plastic, rubber buttons, nicely sized. So temperature, power button, fan speed, mode, eco, delay. Pretty simple. So pretty plasticky. So for the filter, I'm going to show you how to take that out. So on this side, there's a little, you just pull it out. It's a filter. Now, like in there's a Frigidaire window AC unit that I have, and do a video on that one. But the whole thing comes off, the whole front. You can just get to it. But this gets dirty, and you gotta clean that out. It's just a pain. But so you take out the filter, and it works pretty well. I'll go through a few modes. So fan speed, this is on low. That's high. It blows pretty hard. I mean, it works pretty well for it being super hot here in South Carolina. So, yeah. That's pretty much the video. All to see. So, hope you enjoyed. Hope you found it useful. Please subscribe. Thank you.